technical analysis video for Kaspa coin, ticker KAS. A week has passed since my last video, but as far as price action goes, Kaspa remains unchanged. In the previous week, I told you that since it was struggling to get above the 50-day EMA, the most likely trajectory is down. And indeed, Kaspa went down to as low as 9.5 cents. It tried to bounce, but it found resistance on the 21-day EMA and on this resistance trend line, and the trajectory seems to be to the downside. I still think that there is a very high probability that Kaspa will hit this demand zone, the daily demand zone at 8.8 cents. And it is, if it will happen, it is going to be a very nice opportunity for holders or for newer traders to get in, because I don't think that the overall trajectory of Kaspa is to the downside. I expect a very strong rebound from there. Now we are looking for a reversal, and I told you in many videos, you don't need to get fancy with TA to find reversals. We have two obvious resistance levels, the 21-day EMA, which is the orange line, and the 50-day EMA is currently between support and resistance, so it's not reliable at all. If you will see Kaspa making a move and breaking above this resistance line, you can see that this resistance line is being respected by Kaspa. Let me show you. It touched this resistance line once on December, two times on December 14th, third time December 20, and currently it is on this trend line December 24th. So it is respecting the trend line. Once you see Kaspa getting above this resistance line and above the 21-day EMA, you will be you could reasonably say that the correction is over. But as long as Kaspa is below the trend line and below the 21-day EMA, momentum is to the downside. You can also draw the same line on the RSI, because sometimes the RSI breaks before price, and if you will see the RSI breaking to the upside, then it's also another point in favor of a reversal. Currently, there is no sign of reversal, but this demand zone has a lot of confluence around it. I talked about it in the previous videos. It also has a nice Ganfen trend line at this demand zone. So everything is pointing to this demand zone, in my opinion, and this is where Kaspa could possibly reverse and initiate a bullish momentum, a bullish impulse again. That's all I have for you on Kaspa. I hope it helps, and I will see you in the next video.